everybody and welcome back to my channel. So excuse the way I look right now. I'm looking a little bit of a mess. I've been working, so not had time to do myself up, but I'm back again for another week's video. This week I am not doing a demonstration on my nails. As you can see, they are rather plain and I'm missing two. Anyway, enough about that. So this week's video I wanted to show you some new stuff that I've had from Miss You Beauty, or Mei Mei. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So this week I have had a beauty box from Mei Mei / Miss You Beauty. So and it's the first beauty box that I've ever had. I think they've been doing it for a while now, but I've sort of put off. And this week I couldn't wait anymore. So, or a few days ago I couldn't wait anymore. So I purchased it. So I'm really, really excited to show you what's in it. So I'm going to get in with what's inside. So I'm going to turn my camera around as well. So here is the Mei Mei beauty box. So excited to have received this. I could not wait any longer. There'd been so much hype and I was like, right, I'm getting it. So I do apologise. I have already opened it and taken a sneak peek, sorry. A sneak peek at it because I couldn't resist. So anyway, it comes done up like this, in some gorgeous paper, and we've got the January subscription box. I love these little stickers, they're so cute. Anyways, opening up, so this is what it looked like inside. Could not believe it, I was so excited. So you get some tutorials. So we've got step-by-step tutorial here. And these tutorials that you get are actually for the items that you receive in your box as well. So they show you what you can do with the items that you receive. It's really, really good if you're, it's just great for people that are in lockdown. Well, we're all in lockdown right now. And, if you want to learn nail art and things like that, I think this is absolutely brilliant. So there's that one. Then we've got this one here. Step by step. So we've got an easy tutorial and we've got a medium tutorial. So take your pick which one you'd like to try. So down here we have got the QR codes for the Nail Vision app. As I told you last week, I mentioned that I am one of the influencers on Nail Vision. So I do nail art tutorials on there, ones that I don't actually do on YouTube as well, so you won't have seen these tutorials on YouTube. And I use different products from Miss You and Mei Mei. So so this is what you get, and you can scan the QR code and it takes you to the Nail Vision app on the App Store. So that's cool. Then you get, so this is the introducing Mei Mei gel polish by Miss You. So this is the collection that I received this week. So these are some designs that you can do. We've got here, so then it goes through basically what you get in your January box. So, and it goes through how much those items actually are. So as well, practice tips, a must. And you can use these on your own. I mean, I can't because I've got, if you wanted to, you could pop them on your own nails once you'd played with them. Lovely. Sweets, I love that. I got these, and I got a little refresher sweet. My husband stole it. How rude, but whatever. I'll let him off. So you do get some beauty items as well. So this month, or January's month, yeah, this month, I'm still in January. So you got the Luxe lashes. So these are worth, it says here, it tells you how much they're worth, £12.50. So bit of a bargain there. and they're really cute. I haven't used them yet, but I will do. I love false lashes. So, oh, I'm so excited. I don't know what to show you first. So, how cool is this? You get a gel brush. Is that not amazing? There's my brush. Absolutely love that. Really good looking brush there. So that brush, so it tells you here, it's worth £8. Love it. And it tells you how you can use it as well on the leaflet. So then we have some of these. Now, super excited to receive these. These are like this is a bit like angel paper almost. They're like flakes, so we've got gold flakes and we've got holographic flakes. I love them. So it says that they're worth £5, so you can buy these on the website, things like this, on the Miss You Beauty website. So then here we have some nail foils. So this is worth £3 here. So again, it just tells you sort of what you can do with it here. Gives you some ideas. I love stuff like this. It's really, really good. Give you loads for nail art, and I love these. Look at them. Look at the shine. Oh my goodness. I just love them so much. So these are some stars, and they are worth £3. And again, you can get this stuff on the website, but what they do, I'll tell you the price and everything like that. So again, I have already looked in here. I do apologise, but oh my goodness, you get a full, I cannot be so excited about this, but I really am. You get a full collection of Mei Mei gel polishes. If you haven't looked at their gel polishes, then go ahead and check them out, because I've just started collecting them and wow, they're really beautiful. So we've got, they are the, I'm not sure, is it icy? I'm thinking it is. I'm going with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch these for you all to see what you think. And yeah, I'll do that. I'm actually going to use the practice tips that came in my subscription box, because why not? So what they said on, or what they've suggested on the instructions here, or the tutorials, they have suggested having a white base. So I've just used my 4-in-1 gel polish here that I've got, and it's white. So yeah, so that's what I've just used there. So you don't have to, but I'm going to do it on both. I'm going to do it on the white and on just like a natural coloured nail as well, so you can see exactly what it looks like. So the first one I'm using is number 1. Okay, so how amazing are those colours? Look at them, aren't they gorgeous? So my light is not picking it up as well, but I think this side definitely intensifies the colour. But I don't know. Does intensify it if that's what you want. You want to intensify that colour. You can get away without the white base coat, but then these tips, actually thinking about it, these tips are quite yeah, they're not like my nails at the moment. There's just nothing, they're clear like glass. So I think if I was to do them over my nails, I would definitely need the white base coat. So yeah, but that's what they look like. Absolutely amazing. I love these colours. I think they are stunning. Dead chuffed with them. Absolutely chuffed bits. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my unboxing video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my subscription box. I was so excited. So I just want to read you quickly what the deal is with the Mei Mei beauty box. So it's £35 a month, and that includes that's like VAT added onto that, and your postage as well, so you don't even have to worry about any extra costs. So £35 a month, and you get loads of different goodies each month. You get a little bit of beauty as well. Like I said, we've got the lashes there, and I think there's been, well, I don't know, because I've never really had any of the other subscription boxes. This is my very first one, and I have to say it's worth every penny. So there is that. Anyway, I'm like that, blah blah blah. If you're new to the subscription, what you need to do is you have like a window of opportunity. So you've got from the 1st of the month to the 7th of the month in order to subscribe. So if you want to subscribe to the beauty box, then you subscribe during those 7 days. If you were to go on to the Miss You Beauty website and go to the subscription box, you can set a reminder so that it does remind you to let you know that there's like a timer. It counts down the days. Love that. Counts down the days until the subscription release date. I love it. And so your money goes out, then you just wait for your box to come. It will come within the first, well, mine was quick. I think it took about 2 days, maybe 2 or 3 days. I know they're busy at the moment because of New Year, COVID, Christmas, all that business. So it's a bit manic for them at the moment. So, but mine came really quick, which I was really, really chuffed with. So yeah, and if these tutorials, if you want to see like full-on video tutorials, then do head over to the Nail Vision app, because I do know that there are videos released by Nail Vision, as well as other influencers as well, and they do really amazing videos, and they show you what you can do with the items that you received in your box. So they do proper videos on what you get. I mean, we all do proper videos, but they do the videos specifically from the beauty box, which is amazing. So yeah, so if you check those out, do that, and I think that's all that I need to mention. Any questions about this subscription box, then please leave me a comment below. As I say, please excuse the way I look. I look really rough this week. I do apologise for that. So yeah. So I was looking on the website, and you've got 17 days, 5 hours, 54 minutes and 20 seconds before you could subscribe for the subscription box. So set your reminders, guys, because I can't wait for my next one. I love it. So thank you so much for watching my week. Oh no, thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up as always, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram and the Nail Vision app. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.